Hello. Guess what we about to make? Pig in a blanket. So I'm gonna use some standard, who's that makes this? Pillsbury. Pizza crust. It's going to be our base. And I hate popping these things, so. Here we go. Well, let's look at how bad this is. 6 servings in this little tube. 160 calories. Let's see. Lots of sodium. 380. Oh gosh, 32 grams of carbs. That's per serving. Got a little bit of a dietary fiber, which is 1 gram. 4 grams of sugar. A total of 7 because they added some more to it. 5 grams of protein and 1.9 grams of iron and potassium. Diabetic brothers and sisters, eat this at your own risk. Gosh, I hate those. I hate popping these. Oh, okay. It's a dewy, dewy, gooey mess. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this dough out. Come on out. And what we're going to do is I'm going to unroll it. I'm going to take the standard hot dog. Yummy. And you can't have pig in a blanket unless it's wrapped around some swine. Oh yeah. Get this see if we can get this wrapped around here the way I want it to. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Then we're going to take some of this pizza dough. And we're going to wrap that little piggly wiggly up. And we're going to cut it. Voila. Now I'm going to get some non-stick spray to put on it so it doesn't stick. But we definitely about to do take basically a piece of bacon, wrap it around it. Now all this is going to cook. I'm going to bake it. This dough is only going to be used for this, so it won't be no cross contamination of anything else. I'm going to take this dough. If you ever met my son, that boy can get down with the get down. He can, reminds me a little bit of me when I was his age. Because I used to eat, like, you think I was about to die as much as I used to eat. But those days are over. Ain't like that anymore. But it sure was fun. Okay. And I think I got enough maybe for one more. Wrap this little piggy went to the market. Let's see. And where? That's the conventional oven that's heating up. Okay, so we have 4 of them that I'm going to be able to do with a little teeny bit left. I just throw that on the side. So let me go. Ooh, I can put it right here. This is missing a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and spray this down. Go ahead and put it in the oven. Let it cook for about, I don't know, because it's the first time I ever did these, so I have to play it by ear. I'll see you back in a little bit when I get this done. Hello, I'm back. Look at that. Pig in a blanket. So I was thinking when I was cooking this, I'm like, I'm going to try it just the way it is. And then I want to put a little honey on it. See if it gives me a little, Look at that, boy. See that steam coming off that thing? Woo. You know, bacon is nice and tender. So what happens when the bacon cooks? All that fat and that bacon gets absorbed into the dough. Yes, it does. That means this is not good for y'all on diets. This is definitely not a diet meal. This is actually pretty good. And that's pizza dough. Let me try a little bit of this. You know what it looks like on the inside? Put a little honey on this thing. See what this tastes like. Look at all that steam, boy, I tell you. Oh my goodness, everything's falling apart. Now, that honey with all that bacon and hot dog fat goodness. Not bad at all. Actually, I kind of like it with the honey. But since we're trying other stuff, let me go get some hot sauce and some ketchup. Okay. Decided not to do hot sauce, but I got one of my favorites. Capital City Mumbo sauce. See what Mumbo sauce can do to this pig in a blanket. Because so far, this Capital One pretty much goes with everything. Oh my goodness. Jeez Louise. I tell you, this Capital One Mumbo sauce, I'm starting to think it's not just for chickens anymore. It's for whatever you want to put on it. Let's try a little ketchup. I'm pretty sure the ketchup ain't gonna be able to touch the Capital One Mumbo sauce, but we're gonna try it anyway. Ooh, look at all that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, that's hot. Look at the bacon. Cooked well. Nice and soft. Bread goodness. Made a nice little piece of bacon. Is not too hard, not too soft. And then cooked to perfection. Okay, family. That's the pig in a blanket using pizza dough. On a scale of 1 to 10, it's not bad. I would give it about 7.5. 7.5 is good. But if you put a little bit of this Capital One on it, Capital City Mumbo sauce on it, that's a whole different game changer. All right, until next time, family. Stay safe. Live long, eat healthy. I'll talk to you soon.